Now let's talk about producing it in regular Flash. To do this, you can do this right from camstudio. Just go to Tools and go to SWF Producer. That brings up another window like this. And then all you have to do is open your file. So our file is called done.avi. Then brings it up in Player like this. And you can preview it here if you want. Now all we have to do, go to File, Convert to SWF. And now we get some options here. Now first of all, you can change where your output files are going to show up. So I might want to put it in a folder here. So all we can do is click Change, and then you can create a folder where you want it to go if you want. Or to say Test. Okay, and then our HTML follows it. Okay, and then down here, you can choose whether you want color in 16 or 32-bit. Your sample playback rates and your keyframe rates, you can leave those alone. Encode audio compression, and this is compressed, and you can have PCM as no compressed. You probably leave it as it is. Add player controls, you're probably going to want that. Whether you want it to auto start, or if you don't want it to auto start, then unclick that. Add the preloader and the progress bar. And you can produce a raw movie for further editing if you have Flash MX editor. And you can have it loop. We don't want it to loop, so you take that off. And after the video is played, you can put a redirect URL in here if you want. On interface, you can change how things look here. You can have how much the percentage of the movie you want to preload. So you can change that if you want. And down here, you can give it a border and a background color if you want. So we'll just give it a border of 1, and of course this is optional. Advanced options, you're probably going to want to leave this alone. This will chain multiple SWF files. Okay, so when we're all good here, we just click OK, and now it's generating our files for us. Okay, so that's all done. Then we'll open up our test folder, and we have our do an open with Firefox with our HTML file that was created for us. Okay, so here is our Flash video, and it's now open in Firefox. And here's our controllers at the bottom that we can control it with. You notice that it produces it in the size of the video. So if you want to use the SWF producer, you need to make sure that your video is the size that you're going to want your Flash to be also. Okay, so that is how you can create quality videos using only free tools.